Well, happy 4th of July, everybody. We picked up a new project, so I just wanted to do a small little video and show you what we had going on. I used my crappy cell phone, so hopefully it turns out okay. But anyway, thanks for being here. Take care. Happy 4th. Talk to you soon. What are you doing, Keith?
Driving the Manchee.
You're driving the Manchee?
Door right here though, where the transmission's supposed to be. But I can judge speed that way.
Yeah, there you go. All right. All right, here we go, Keith. Yep, driver. Yep, keep that line, Keith, right there. Okay, hold up. Hold up.
Yeah. I think this brake locked up.
This one?
I think that should be good. Yeah, I don't know. That's pretty low.
It's tandem axle, so once you get some weight on it, it just flips right down. Here we go, Keith.
Straight.
Pulling the ramps over.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the ramps are gonna fall over.
Right over here. Yeah, track.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to let it down. There you go. All right, there she is, fellers. No more towing police. I don't want to hear it. There's 4 fucking straps on it. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So fuck off. There's the new Manchee. We're coming home. See you fellas later. So we're gonna stop and check our straps. So what's the scoop on this? The scoop on this is I found it on Craigslist. Well, rather, Street Pirate found it on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and he wanted the supposed stroker motor out of it, but there was no real concrete evidence that it was an actual stroker motor. So he kind of passed on it, but I kind of looked at it and decided that it was worth my time. So another 87 Comanche with a long bed and a bunch of shit inside of it. But we got some extra boggers, and I got another extra spare, and it's full bodied. And it has a lift, and there's some steering shit in it, and once upon a time it had a 5.0 in it, and there it is. So we're gonna finish dragging her home now. See you guys soon. Alright, so let me finish up this video real quick, since I tried to get most of it. So the Comanche's unloaded. I got most of the stuff out and take a look at everything. So it came with most of the motor. This guy said it was a 4.2, start of a 4.2 stroker build. So I got 2 cranks and a cam. Got the engine block here, the cylinder head, the oil pan. In the back of it, so here's the box of goodies. There's an intake and all the pistons and all the rods and push rods and lifters and water pump and all that crap. There was water on the bottom of the bucket, so I don't know how good a shape any of that's going to be in. Here's a full Comanche Renix wiring harness. There's a header panel that's cracked. It's got a good grill in it. We've got, oh, turn my light off. I got new window sweeps, inner and outers. There's a exhaust gasket. Brand new pair of lights. That's cool. ARB air compressor, oil filter, some vacuum hoses. 2 idle air control valves, axle seals, the ECU's down there. There's a Comanche fuel pump and sending unit. What else did we find? So then we also found some really long Skyjacker nitro shocks, clutch fan, some upper control arms. Found a 1-ton crossover steering kit that's missing the heim joints. And then I actually found the paperwork for it too. It's from BK Fabworks. So I'll look that up and see what's up with that. The shifter for the tranny has a shift knob on it that I'll use for pine tree. Sweet. Most of the rest of this junk is just trash. I'm gonna go in the garbage. It's got a lift on it already. The front ring and pinion is blown, so the front axle's trash. The rear leaf springs are in good shape. These are 33 10.5 KM2s. The back ones are in good shape. The front ones are getting pretty bald, but they got another season or 2 on them. Full lift springs, shocks, extend sway bar links, and lower control arms. So I have lower control arms, uppers, springs, sway bar links, shocks, everything I need. I have 1-ton steering minus the heims. There's pretty much all trash up in here. And the body panels are all pretty straight on it, which is nice. It's got a headliner backer, so I'll use that for pine tree. Both of the 2-door seats work. They're not in the greatest shape, but the seats work, so that's good. Big hole cut in the floor, hodgepodge shit in the dash, bunch of junk. Oh yeah, found a mag light, still coming up. Some brand new spark plugs and a screwdriver. There's a brand new 33 12.5 15 KM2. It's in good shape. And then it also had another 33 12.5 on a 5-lug wheel. Just got decent tread on it, so that's another good spare I can get rid of. And then it had, sorry, it's 4th of July. Happy 4th, everybody. Some 38, 11, 15 Super Swamper boggers on Toyota GM 6-lug rails. So those can get sold. And there's the factory front drive shaft. And it's got good carding on it, so I'll keep that around. Yeah, there's the new Manchee. I might make a Crewmanche out of it, a quad cab Manchee. I might make a pine tree rock crawler. I might make another matching trailer for pine trees. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Let me know in the comments. We'll think about it. We'll get all this crap put away.